Here I have HUAWEI P20 Pro and let me show you how to enter here the eRecovery mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Let's press power key, choose power off and touch power off again. So let's wait until your device will be completely switched off, and afterwards you need to start preparing the USB-C cable connected to your PC. Then start holding the volume up key right here, and while holding the volume up, connect your device by using the USB-C cable. Keep holding volume up. And as you can see, the device is in a HUAWEI eRecovery mode. So here you can, for example, download the latest version. Let me tap now. Download the latest version and enter the recovery. You can also reboot the device, shut down the device, or simply accomplish the hard reset operation. Here you can navigate by tapping appropriate options or by using both volume keys, and confirm options by pressing power button. So let me just quit the HUAWEI eRecovery. Let's choose the reboot, press power key to confirm it, and the device is restarting and rebooting. So now you can disconnect your HUAWEI P20 Pro from your USB-C cable. The smartphone is booting into a normal mode. Let's wait a few seconds. And that's it. So now the device is in a normal mode. You can start using your phone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.